Neeraj Chopra Javelin Throw Olympic gold medalist. Neeraj Chopra is an Indian athlete who plays the sport called javelin throw. He became very famous after winning a gold medal in the Tokyo Olympics in 2021. He was the first Indian to win a gold medal in athletics, track and field events, in the history of the Olympics. Pushpin example: just like Sachin Tendulkar is a hero in cricket, Neeraj Chopra is a hero in javelin throw. Early life of Neeraj Chopra. Neeraj was born on the 24th of December 1997 in a small village named Kandra in the state of Haryana, India. He grew up in a farming family. His father was a farmer. Neeraj was a chubby child, and his family wanted him to stay healthy. So, they encouraged him to play sports. At the age of 11, Neeraj visited a stadium and saw people practicing javelin throw. He found it interesting and decided to learn it. Example: Neeraj's journey started just like a small seed that grows into a big tree with care and hard work. What is javelin throw? Javelin throw is a sport in which the player throws a long spear-like stick, called a javelin, as far as possible. The javelin is usually around 2.5 meters long. It is made of metal or fiberglass. The player runs on a track and throws the javelin into a field. The goal is to throw the javelin the farthest distance. Example: think of it like throwing a stick in a field, but with rules, strength, and skill. Neeraj's achievements before the Olympics. Before becoming an Olympic hero, Neeraj worked hard and won many medals. 2016 won gold at the World U20 Championships in Poland by throwing 86.48 meters. 2018 won gold at the Commonwealth Games in Australia. 2018 won gold at the Asian Games in Indonesia. These achievements made him one of the best javelin throwers in the world even before the Olympics. Example: it's like winning medals in your school competitions before going to the national level. The Tokyo Olympics 2021. The Tokyo Olympics was held in 2021. It was delayed from 2020 due to COVID-19. Neeraj threw the javelin 87.58 meters in the final round. His amazing throw helped him win the gold medal. He became the first Indian to win a gold medal in athletics in the history of the Olympics. This was a proud moment for all Indians. Example: it was like India won a gold star in a subject where we had never topped before. Why Neeraj Chopra's win was special for India. Neeraj's victory was very important for many reasons. First Indian to win gold in track and field. It gave hope and encouragement to other young Indian athletes. It showed that India can shine in all kinds of sports, not just cricket or hockey. His win also came at a time when the world was recovering from the pandemic, so it brought joy and pride to everyone in India. Neeraj's training and discipline. Becoming a champion like Neeraj takes hard work, training, and discipline. Neeraj trains for many hours every day. He follows a strict diet and exercise routine. He practices his throws, runs, and builds muscle strength. He also works with coaches and watches videos to improve his technique. Example: just like we study every day to get good marks, athletes like Neeraj practice every day to win medals. Neeraj Chopra's personality. Neeraj is known for being humble. Even after winning, he speaks politely and thanks his country. Respectful. He respects his coaches, fellow athletes, and fans. Inspiring. He encourages children to play sports and follow their dreams. Example: even after becoming a big star, Neeraj remains like a friendly elder brother who wants to help others. Awards and honors. After winning the gold medal, Neeraj received many awards. Padma Shri, one of India's top civilian awards. Khel Ratna Award, India's highest sports award. He also received cash rewards from different states and companies. His win also made javelin throw more popular in India. What can kids learn from Neeraj Chopra? Hard work. He trained for many years before he won. Focus. He always stayed focused on his goals, even when there were problems. What can kids learn from Neeraj Chopra? Love for the country. He always says that he plays for the pride of India. Respect. He respects everyone, his teammates, coaches, and opponents. Dream big. He came from a small village but reached the biggest stage in the world. Neeraj's words to young kids. Neeraj often says, "Work hard, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams." He believes that children in India can become world champions if they are encouraged and given the right support. Goals for the future. Neeraj Chopra is still young and wants to break his own records. Win more medals for India in the World Championships and Paris Olympics 2024. Inspire the next generation of Indian athletes.